Welcome to our channel. Today we're addressing a common issue that many BET Plus users encounter, error code 2006. This error can be frustrating, but don't worry, we've got a step-by-step guide to help you resolve it quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Check your internet connection. The first thing you should do is ensure that your internet connection is stable. A weak or intermittent connection can cause streaming errors. Try resetting your router or connecting to a different network to see if that resolves the issue. Step 2. Restart the BET Plus app. Sometimes, simply restarting the app can fix minor glitches. Close the BET Plus app completely and reopen it. This simple step can often resolve temporary issues. Step 3. Update the BET Plus app. Ensure you have the latest version of the BET Plus app installed on your device. Go to your device's app store and check for any available updates. Keeping the app updated can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 4. Clear app cache and data. If restarting and updating the app doesn't work, try clearing the cache and data. Go to your device's settings, locate the BET Plus app, and select the option to clear cache and data. This will remove any corrupted data that might be causing the error. Step 5. Reinstall the BET Plus app. If you're still encountering error code 2006, uninstall and then reinstall the BET Plus app. This will give you a fresh installation without any issues carried over from the previous version. Step 6. Check for device compatibility. Ensure that your device is compatible with the BET Plus app, as some older devices may not fully support its features. Check the official BET Plus website for a list of supported devices. Step 7. Disable VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN or proxy server, it may interfere with the BET Plus app. Disable any VPN or proxy settings and try accessing the app again. Step 8. Contact BET Plus support. If none of the above steps work, it may be time to reach out to BET Plus customer support. They can provide assistance tailored to your specific situation. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more troubleshooting tips and updates. Thank you for watching.